Hey there and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will introduce you to the GraphComment plugin, an innovative tool for improving the commenting experience on WordPress websites. We will walk you through its standout features and will showcase how it can help you create a more dynamic and engaging community. So let's get started. So let's start by exploring the GraphComment website. Here is the official website of the plugin. GraphComment is a WordPress plugin designed to replace the default WordPress commenting system, and the goal of GraphComment is to help WordPress site owners create an active and engaged community platform. GraphComment plugin offers a great number of advanced features, which we will shortly discuss now. The first wonderful feature I want to mention is that there are no ads on free plan, and unlike many other commenting systems such as for example Disqus, GraphComment's free plan is ads free, and this ensures a cleaner user experience without any distractions or interruptions. Secondly, GraphComment prioritizes user privacy and it's fully GDPR compliant. Then comes another great feature, which is live discussions. So the plugin allows real live discussions and enables users to engage in instant conversations and keeps discussions lively and dynamic. The plugin uses a unique system called Bubble Flow, which allows discussion threads to expand and collapse using horizontal avatars. You can see it here like this. The next advanced feature is the automatic registration. You can sign into the comments with a variety of different platforms such as for example Facebook, Twitter. What is great about the plugin is that it is SEO friendly, so the plugin is optimized to improve search engine rankings and makes user-generated content more discoverable. So for now, let's check the demo of the plugin so that we can visually see how actually the commenting system works. We open the demo page here. Here you can see the demo page where you can find the GraphComment commenting system and design. Also, you can see many comments here. Besides having the bubble flow feature with avatars displayed in horizontal form, the plugin has developed a new setting that allows users to choose between sorting comments by newest or oldest. Here you can see a great number of options. You can start a new conversation and write a comment here. You can add emojis to your comment. You can add media to your comment. Also, you can share the comment. You can vote for the comment, for example, like this. Also, you can directly reply to the comment by clicking here, and your comment will appear under the actual comment. Your reply will appear under the actual comment. Also here you can see that this comment particularly has 37 votes. It has different votes, and you can see all the comments immediately when clicking on the avatar like this. What is great about the plugin is that the users who have the most votes appear at the beginning, and the users with less votes appear at the end of this line. Also, let's quickly check the support page. The support specialists of the GraphComment plugin are always there to help you if you have any questions or need any assistance with the plugin. So let's also check the pricing of the plugin, which is pretty much important. So what is most important is that the plugin offers affordable price for everyone. The plugin offers both monthly and yearly packages. Here you can see them. And the plugin has both free version, basic, the starter, and pro. And here you can see some of the advanced features the plugin offers. As we have already mentioned, the plugin both three versions have no ads. Also, the plugin is GDPR compliant and you can be sure your data is safe, which is again very important for the user experience. If you are still thinking whether you need to buy the plugin or not, then the customization feature, along with many other features, come to prove that surely you will need to get a pro version, as the plugin offers customization feature and you can display your personal logo during the registration and on the transactions emails, which is really a great feature. Also, you will gain access to the footer modification options and you can manage this part according to your preferences. The plugin offers a push notification center, which allows users to be alerted in real time of a response or a received vote or a badge obtained. Then comes the SSO connection, which will surely be of great help to you. It allows your users who are already connected to your site to be automatically connected to the site in GraphComment. So these were just a part of the great number of features and functionalities each plan offers. So you can explore them and choose the best package for you that mostly meets your requirements. Here is one of the posts available on our website, and here you can see the WordPress default commenting system, and as you can see, it doesn't have any advanced features like the one we have seen for the GraphComment. It neither has a bubble flow feature nor has the remaining features the GraphComment offers. So let's install the GraphComment plugin and check how the commenting system is getting changed with the GraphComment enabled on your website. We go to the plugins page, add new plugin, and here we need to search for the GraphComment plugin like this and click on the Install Now button. Then we need to click on the Activate button. The first step we need to do after the installation is to sign in your GraphComment platform. So here we need to insert our username or email and password accordingly. Now we have already inserted our credentials, so we need to click on the Authenticate button here. After signing in, you need to create a new website. Here you need to write the site name, for example like this. Then comes the unique ID, which is generated automatically by the system, and here we just need to make some modifications like this. Here you can write the website domain name. You can skip this part and you can choose your website preferred language. For example, we will choose English. And you need to tick the Agree GraphComment Terms of Service and Privacy Policy checkbox. Then we need to save the changes by clicking on the Save button. It's time to check the plugin settings and understand what features it provides. So here we are on a general page, and let's discuss the features here. The first feature is actually the enabling process of GraphComment. You can enable the GraphComment system on all posts, and also you can set a custom period. Then here you can see the options. First one is Activate SEO. So if you want your comments to be crawled by Google, you need to enable the Activate SEO option. So the next interesting option is the Enable WordPress Authentication feature. With the help of this feature, so if you tick this feature, the users will not have to create accounts into GraphComment. They will just need to create accounts on WordPress. The next feature is show comments in a side panel. If you tick this option, then the comments will appear in a side panel and not on a page. And the last option here is the enable restricted right to comment. If you tick this option, you can allow to prevent posting comments unless you have a specific role. For example, you can set a limitation and only, for example, the premium users can write a comment. So that was all about the general tab, and we can go ahead with the sync and backup tab here. With the help of this feature, you can copy your GraphComment plugin comments and keep them synchronized locally in WordPress comments database. We will now deactivate this option and go ahead with the importation page. This is actually a great feature as you can import all your existing WordPress comments to GraphComment. So let's click on the Start Importation button to see how this process actually works. As you can see, the importation process is done. As we have discussed the plugin settings, we can go to the admin part. Here you can see all the comments written by your website visitors. Here you can see the pending ones, approved, deleted, and all comments. Here you can select all comments. You can sort by newest, oldest, more voters and less voters. You can choose all projects or the current one. Here you can specify the period and search by the period. Also, you can set a custom period here. You can make a filtering and add a tag here and search by it. Here you can tick and approve the comment, you can reply to it, you can delete the comment, and also you can mark the comment as spam. Let's write a comment and see how it actually works and how it appears on this page. Let's write a comment here as a guest and see how it appears on our dashboard. As you can see, your comment is awaiting publication. Let's go to our dashboard. Now you can see that we have one pending comment. We click on it. Here we can tick this option and approve the comment. Once we do this, this comment appears on the approved part. So once we are done with the moderation tab, we can go ahead with the community tab. And here you can see the members. Here you can see some data related to the installation of the plugin. Then we can go ahead with the settings. This part is for general settings, and this part is for GraphComment settings. Here you can find website settings. Then comes the moderation. Here you can add administrators and decide who is the admin of the website. Here you can add moderators if you want. Here you can see an information about word blacklist and word filters. Here you can see customization options, which is truly a great feature. What is great about the plugin is that you can change your logo and insert any custom logo you want instead of the GraphComment branding logo. Then comes the authentication. Then comes the export page, and here you can see that the plugin gives you the wonderful opportunity to export your users and keep them if you want. Then we can go ahead with the GraphComment settings. Here you can see website settings. The first one is moderation mode. You can change pre-moderation, post-moderation, and smart moderation. For the first one, no comment will be printed without validation. Post-moderation is when comments are printed immediately, and smart moderation is that only trusted comments are printed. Here you can see how many comments will be displayed when loading the page. Here you can see the default sorting settings. You can find more options here. Then comes the notification and emails. Here you can configure the settings for the email notification. Then we can pass on to the languages, and as you can see, the plugin supports so many languages. Then comes the customization part, which is truly a great feature the plugin offers. And Here you can see you can select light or dark theme. You can customize the themes and colors, and it's a great feature because if you, for example, have your website in blue colors, you can choose this one, and the plugin will be customized based on the website you have and its colors. Then comes the moderation. Here you can choose the moderation of hypertext links. Then we can go to the authentication. That means the restricted right to comment is activated. Here you can see the single sign-on feature, SSO. The plugin has an SSO to the admin panel. So into the WordPress plugin, you don't have to sign in again. If needed at any time, you can access to the admin panel. And we'll have to sign in again with the same account if you want. And here we can see the export page, and here we can export comments. As we're done with the settings, we can go ahead with the plan we have. Here you can see that we have the enterprise plan. Then here we can see other packages provided by the plugin. So let's go to one of the posts we have created and see what capabilities we can have with the GraphComment plugin. So here we can see one of the posts we have created, and here we can see the GraphComment system. Here you can see the GraphComment logo. Here we can see our account, and we can sort by relevance, newest comments, and all these comments. We will choose sort by relevance. Here, as you can see, we can start a new conversation. For example, we can write this comment. Wonderful. Here we can upload an image, for example, this one. And here we can highlight the part we want and add any formatting we would like. Also, it is worth mentioning that you can not only share and reply, but you can also vote for the comments. And here we can reply, for example, like this. Here we can reply to this comment to be displayed here. So now we can see that our comment has appeared here in a bubble flow. So that was all about the GraphComment plugin. As you can see, it provides a fully advanced commenting system that will surely help your website boost its engagement.